Alright, I just bought the Zvox special soundbar. Bought it on Amazon for about 150 bucks. This is what it comes with: a remote, the batteries, optical audio cable, your traditional analog cables, and it says here that you can set it up in 10 minutes. There's the power cable, and we got our TV set, and we're going to give it a shot. According to this, all we have to do is position the sound base. Then we've got to connect the power cord, plug it into the socket, hook the optical audio first to the TV, then to the machine, and then flip the power on in the back of the machine, and bam, we should be able to hear it. We'll find out. All right, so to hook your power cable in, you're going to see it says DC in. You're going to push that right in there. Okay, now all you got to do is plug it into the wall over here. All right, as you can see, we've got our power in. I've plugged the plug into the wall, and I've got the TV plugged in, ready to go. Make sure that the power's off, which I didn't do, but I just turned it off. So, all right, next we're going to connect the optical audio output to the TV. You'll see that there's these little caps that you got to pull off. So first we're going to connect it to the TV, then we're going to connect it to the box itself. Okay, if we look in the back of the TV, it says audio out, optical, and that should be where we're going to plug this in. So I've got to take this little top off of it, which I have, and go ahead and slide that right in there. Let's take a look at this thing. Apparently it goes in with the curved side down, or to the side. Let's take a look. All right, if you look, you'll see it's curved on this one side. It's got two little slots. So if you look at this, you're going to see that it's curved on one side and it's got two little slots. So you've got to put the curved side that way before you push it in. Now we're in. Audio input is in. Now we got to hook it into the back of our box. So let's take a look at that. All right. So there's our optical right there. And you can see that the curve is on the bottom. So now we got to slide that in there. So I'm going to take the bottom curved part, I'm going to slide it right in there like that. And bam, we're in. Snapped in. Okay. And we're connected. So we're connected to the TV and we're connected over here. Excellent. All right, once we have the optical audio cables put in here and here, we're going to flip the power switch. Now the power switch is on. All right, now to confirm you hear TV sound through the sound base, after making an optical connection, you should hear the TV sound through the sound base with the sound base volume set to 12 or 15. If you don't hear it, or if you didn't use an optical connection between the TV and the sound base, use the input button on the sound base remote control to select the correct sound base input. Okay, let's try it. All right, we switched to a different TV, and I'm going to be on this LG. And basically all I had to do really was just hook it up to there. There's the digital audio input. Electrical is all on there. We're going to put it on Amazon.com and check it out. So let's go ahead and turn on this TV first. And so we're ready to go. If I do the volume, I'm going to put it to 12. Let's go to 13, 12. So I'm at 12, like they told me. I'm coming over here. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, let's watch it.
There's something different about their agenda.
That's it. Sounds good.
I drop this and we all die.
So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the volume up.
She's a toast at her own wedding. I mean, who does that? Who stands in the middle of a ballroom after 3 glasses of champagne on a completely empty stomach? And I mean completely empty. because fitting into this dress required no solid
I'm gonna
food.
press
or straight
Acu
boots.
voice. See what happens.
Who does that?
Okay, I did.
I do.
All right, it's working great.
This day is perfect.
All right, works good.
This day has been long in
I think
planning.
we
Anyone
figured
who
it
knows
out.
me knows I plan. At
All right,
6,
have fun
I decided
and
Russian
enjoy.
culture would be my main.
All right, we hooked it up. And Bob, what do you think?
Excellent.
How's the words, the people's voices?
Clear as a bell. Great fidelity.
I think we're happy with it.
We are happy with it.